Hey friends, this is Atif Opier. Val and welcome to the update on SLP. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of SLP has broken out another down channel. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you move to the live daily time frame, then you can see that this was the channel that I was showing you. And you can see that after the breakout, it has pumped very well. If I place this measurement tool, then you can see that from this over here, it has almost more than 155% pump. And the target that I've been telling you in my previous videos for this breakout was here at the top of the channel at $0.0021. And you can see that the price end has rallied beyond that target. And by the way, here we also had a quite long-term resistance as well at $0.0021. That was recently breaking as a resistance here. And before that, for several weeks, it had been breaking as a support as well. And in today's video, I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this previous down channel, a longer down channel. And if we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here we also had a bullish divergence signal flashed as well as the price went from this low here and the next low it formed lower than the previous one. But at the same time, stochastic was forming higher low than previous. So therefore, I was telling you that despite it is moving more down and forming another lower than previous low, but this is a very huge bullish divergence signal on the 7-day time frame chart. Therefore, we can expect a price reversal from here, and you can see that it has started that powerful price reversal. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that is happened here on the 7-day time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Nexo, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this TradingView chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this trade signal I shared on 12th of July 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very powerful pump on this daily time frame chart, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it had been moving inside this channel since after the month of May 2025, 10th of May 2025, up till here on 29th of June 2025. We broke it out, and after the breakout, the price line almost retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. And now we have broken out this very, very significant resistance of $0.0021 that was recently breaking as a resistance. Before that, it had been breaking as a support for several weeks. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support on the 7-day time frame chart, by the way, we are still breaking it out. On the daily time frame chart, the breakout is quite clear. And you can see that from the month of June 2024 up till the month of up till the month of Feb 2025, it has been breaking as a very strong support. And here, for a few weeks, it worked as a very strong support. And for a few weeks, it also worked as a strong support here in the month of May 2023 as well. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous down channel, that target is here at the top of the channel at $0.006. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance that was recently working as a resistance here. Before that, it was almost working as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that SLP has already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very powerful pump, but the price was rejected by this key resistance zone. That start from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously breaking a support zone here in the month of January 2022. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. Therefore, the price line was rejected. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.